Hello, my name is Jomar Palma from BPED 11N. Movement terminology. Different types of body movement. What are movement terminologies? These are how the body's joint and muscle are working together to produce motion. Angular movement. First is flexion. Flexion is a movement that causes the angle between two bones of a joint to decrease. Next, extension. Extension is a body movement that increases the angle between two body parts of bones at a joint, resulting in straightening. Hyperextension. Hyperextension is a movement that occurs when a joint is forced past its normal range of motion in the opposite direction of its normal flexion. This is the example of angular movement. Next is abduction, adduction, and circumduction. Abduction is a movement that moves a body part away from the body's midline. It's the opposite of adduction, which is the movement of a body part toward the midline. Adduction. Adduction is the movement of a body part toward the midline of the body. It can occur at many joints in the body, including the arms, legs, fingers, toes, vocal cords, and neck. Circumduction. Circumduction is a type of a body movement where a limb of body part moves in a circle. It's a combination of flexion, abduction, extension, and adduction that occurs at a joint. These are the sample of adduction and circumduction. Rotational movement. Medial rotation. Medial rotation is the movement of a limb towards the body's midline. It's also known as internal rotation. Next is lateral rotation. Lateral rotation is a movement that rotates a body part away from the body's midline. It's the opposite of medial rotation, which rotates a body part towards the body's midline. This is the example. Next is supination. Supination is a movement of rotating the hand, wrist, forearm, foot, or leg outward or upward. And next, pronation. Pronation is a natural movement of the foot or forearm that involves rotation. This is the example. Next is spatial movement. Eversion. Eversion is the act of turning something inside out or outward. It can also refer to the state of being turned inside out. Eversion. Inversion is the movement of the soul toward the median plane. Example of eversion movement and inversion movement. Plantar flexion. Plantar flexion is the downward movement of the foot away from the body, which occurs at the ankle joint. Dorsiflexion. Dorsiflexion is the backward bending and the contracting of your hand or foot. This is the extension of your foot at the ankle and your hand at the wrist. Example of plantar flexion and dorsiflexion. Next is thumb movement. Opposition. This movement is produced at the first carpometacarpal joint, which is saddle joint formed between the trapezium carpal bone and the first metacarpal bone. Reposition. Reposition is defined as the opposite of opposition, where the thumb moves away from the tip of the other finger. For instance, to release a grip against an object. This is the example of opposition and reposition. Elevation. Elevation is a movement of a bone upward, such as shrugging the shoulders, lifting the scapulae. Depression. Depression is the opposite of elevation and involves moving the bone downward, such as after the shoulders are shrugged and the scapulae return to their normal position from an elevated position. This is the example of elevation and depression. Elevation is a movement that moves a body part upward. The position of elevation is the depression, which is movement downward. Thank you for watching.